Hello beautiful people, how are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing amazing. Welcome back here in my province house rebuild update. We are going to start this vlog by saying thank you to one of my subscribers who is so generous and kind enough to send me an early housewarming gift. I would have to say thank you so much. He doesn't want to be mentioned, but he is from Australia. Thank you so much. I got a big package here all the way from Australia to the Philippines. So can I just say though that I have opened it because I was thinking that there is going to be some chocolate, but there is not. I didn't want the chocolate to get melted whatsoever. But anyway, so let me show you guys what are the stuff that he actually sent me. Actually, he said to me these are going to be some plates and cups for the house. So I was genuinely very happy when I saw it. It looks really nice. But unfortunately, because it was coming from Australia and I know that it says fragile, some of the cups were broken. Fudge. Okay, let me show it to you. So these are the cups that were unfortunately broken. Look at that. So we're gonna have to get rid of them. I think there was 2 cups that was broken. Sad, but look at this. We do have this little cute koala that is from Australia. And then here we have something for Tom as well. It says Tom. I think this is like a bottle holder for his beer. So thank you. And then we have here some for the kids as well here in the countryside. This is for the ladies ages 10 and younger. We have here some hair ties. So we're gonna give this to the kids. Really cute. Oh my gosh. We got a little something for Scarlett as well. Look, it says for Scarlett. That's so cute. Here we have cups. So these cups are really nice. I mean mugs. So it's color green. Oh my gosh, look. Another one is broken again. Too bad. Okay, so we have some plates here as well. Look, this is Corel. And can I just say, this is my dream plate to have because it's chip resistant and it's actually really good. I love it. Thank you so much. Plain white as well. Ta-da! Marbles over here. We have this one. It's like a small plate. I don't need to buy new plates anymore. I got a lot of plates. Something's broken again. We have another one that's broken. Bigger plates as well. I'll just show you one because it's a bit complicated to open them all. Ta-da! Corel as well. Again, thank you so much to my subscriber who sent this one. This is a very early housewarming gift. And anyway, let me show you how's the current situation in the house right now. Let's go. Alright, so now I'm gonna give you another house rebuild update. We're gonna start over here. If you guys can remember, last time I removed everything. We had to remove everything from the inside of the house so that it will be a lot easier for them to work and do the rendering of the walls. So over here, if you guys can take a look, this is where I stored everything. So Papa has to fence this area as well. That's where he actually stays in order to just guard a few of my stuff. There's nothing really important in there. It's just my clothes and sofa whatsoever. But yeah, he guard them up, so that's good. And then if you guys can see here now, I think you will have a better view of the window that I do have here in the side of the house. I know some of you guys have mentioned that the windows are not level with each other. Like some are up, some are down, and they're not on the same size. We have straightened it out today. I have talked to the main builder. So I am going to take you guys inside first before I talk about what's going to be my next plan for my window. So anyway, if you guys can take a look over here, this is my door, and as you guys can see, they have finished rendering this area here as well. It starts from here all the way there. It has been finished, and now we're gonna go here inside of the house. This is another window, and if you guys can see, they're gonna be working on you know, rendering it as well to make it like this so that it will look nice and it should be ready for the window installation. So that's good. Again, I know I have asked with you guys last time about, you know, the floor in the extension of the terrace. So if you guys can take a look, this area is a bit down than the main house. So I have shared with you guys that yes, I am going to level this floor to the main house so that it will look nice and it will be more spacious as well. And at the same time, I know you guys were teasing that Tom drinks a lot whatsoever and he might trip if we don't like level this area over here. So yes guys, okay, I'm going to level this area so that it will really be very spacious. Okay, so we'll take a look here in the second bedroom. So this is how it looks currently. There's really not much changes here in the meantime. They are working on the rendering on the outside of the house. Here inside, they're trying to work on the rendering slowly. So yeah, this is how it looks currently. So now this is the living area slash dining kitchen, right? So they have worked on the rendering on this side as well. And can I just say that mom and the electrician that I've hired to work on the house, they went to a hardware to get some stuff so that we could already start doing the wiring. So if you guys will try to look up, you guys will be able to see the red flexible hose that you guys can see. They have already started putting the wire for the house, so that's good. Maybe in the next few weeks we will already have electricity here in the house and lighting as well. So there's not much improvement yet over here in the countertop area and so on. Here nothing as well, but they have already finished rendering it. Here in this side, this is like the exit door going to the terrace or the balcony that I will be having at the back of the house. On this side, we have here the toilet. So they have not started rendering here in the toilet as well. It looks pretty much the same, though it's just very dirty in the meantime. But yeah, here on this side, as you guys can see, they have already rendered this area as well. So that's really nice. Like, it looks spacious now that they have rendered it as compared to, you know, having it hollow blocks before. So if you guys can take a look here in this area as well, from there all the way here, it has been rendered. So yeah, this is what's going on so far. If you take a look over there, I have the electrician. He is working on the electrical stuff of the house. So they had to get a few stuff for the electric of the house. So they had to get like stranded wires, flexible hose, all those stuff that you guys can see on the floor. We have here, so we have here the breaker. We have a lot of breaker. If you guys will take a look, those are the breakers that we have. And then we have here, I think this is called junction box or whatnot. Yeah, and then we have here some plugs, and then we have here switches as well. So in the next few days, we might be getting some lights for the house because they should be able to finish this in the next few days as well, like putting the wiring of the house and everything. Can I just say that the house looks really big inside? I don't know why. I know it's the same size as before, but like right now it looks really big. I felt like, I don't know, it's so big. I'm not used to it. I think it's because of the height. The height is really tall now as compared to what it was before. Before I had a really low ceiling, but like right now, it's really high. It's crazy high. But I like it like that because it can make the house really spacious and airy. Alright guys, we're here outside because it is a bit loud inside. I don't know if you guys can hear, they're working on something. They're actually working on the electrical and the rendering. And yeah, I think that's it. So I will share with you guys what's going to be my plan for the window. I know a lot of you guys said that the window that you guys can see in front of the house is a bit lower than if we compare it to the window that you guys can see here on the side. And the reason for that is because we were actually thinking of making those windows big because the house is really big right now, and the builder has suggested that it will be really nice to look at if we will make the windows bigger than what it was before. So we talked earlier what's going to be the best option to do that won't really hurt my pocket as well. So right now, I don't know if you guys can see, but he is currently working on the window in front of the house. So what we're going to do now is we are going to have the same size of all the windows around the house. So I know this one here is quite bigger, and if you guys can see, he is actually going to make it a bit smaller, the same as what he is currently working right now in front. And yeah, everything's gonna be level, everything's going to be the same size, and that's because we are gonna get rid of the J-Lucy window that I had before, and we're gonna go big this time and legit. Okay, we're gonna do a sliding window for my house. The builder did quote me that it might cost me around 30,000 pesos for everything, for all of the windows that I have in my house, and he said just try to save up for that so that the house will really look so legit. And maybe I'll go for that. We still have a few days to save up before we can ask someone to measure it and do the sliding window. And yeah, I think I'm gonna get rid of the J-Lucy window. The only reason why I opted for the J-Lucy window actually is because if the window will crack or something, you will just have to replace one blade. As if you compared to a sliding window, if it cracks, you'll have to replace the entire window, and it's gonna cost a lot. So anyway, that's my current plan. I'm not sure if you guys have any better ideas than that. Please comment below. I would love to have you guys' comments. I know some of you guys as well sent me messages and pictures. I really love that, though I know I have not replied to all of you guys, but please know that I read all your messages, all your emails, all your comments as well, so thank you so much. I think that is it for now. I'm quite happy it's getting along nicely. I'm happy as well that finally we can have some lighting in the house. I really hired a good electrician this time so that you know, we won't have any problems when it comes to the electric, and he is actually quite good. He is my, what do you call that, brother. He is actually my god brother. I think that's what you call it. Yeah, anyway guys, that is it for today's video. I'm quite happy for the progress that we have currently. I really hope though that you know, in the next few days we could already transfer, because our rent in the condominium will be up pretty soon in the first week of April, so I'm not sure if we can already transfer here, but hopefully, fingers crossed. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.